Hi, looking for a job? A well paying one? A job that values your talent and skill set? Yes. In the middle of this pandemic? कोरोना वायरस पैंडेमिक की वजह से हम सबकी लाइफ्स एकदम रुक सी गई हैं. फ्यूचर काफी अनसर्टन और डार्क दिखाई देता है, right? But that's how pandemics work. They cripple the health infrastructure of a country, they break the economic backbone of a country, and they also disrupt supply chains. Not to mention they swell in the unemployment numbers, putting people's bread and butter on the line. And this headline right here is bad news. Now chances are that most of us have either gotten pay cuts, have lost our jobs, or are afraid of losing our jobs. So for all of you who fall under this category, here's the good news. As you watch this video right here, there are organizations out there जो actively hire कर रहे हैं, which means that there is hope for all of us. So do stick around till the end of this video to find out how to find a job in a pandemic. Step 1. Update your resume. The very first step that any job hunt entails is reworking and upgrading your resume, portfolio and bio across job seeking portals. By this, I don't just mean कि आप अपने skills और work experience को update करें, but rather start using the new templates and designs that candidates are using to give their resumes a nice facelift. Gone are the days जब आप अपना पुराना word file use करके एक CV बनाकर भेजते थे. आजकल there are applications like Canva and CV Maker जहां आप बहुत ही सुंदर और अच्छे डिजाइन यूज कर सकते हैं अपने CV को अट्रैक्टिव बनाने के लिए. Also, एक पेज से ज्यादा लंबा CV मत बनाइएगा. कंपटीशन ज्यादा होने की वजह से recruiters do not get the time to sift through long CVs. And yes, do not forget to update your LinkedIn profile. Step 2. Find and apply. कोविड के होने की वजह से रिमोट जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज बढ़ गए हैं which can work in your favor. Secondly, पैंडेमिक के होने के बावजूद कुछ सेक्टर्स काफी अच्छा कर रहे हैं, जैसे कि EdTech, BFSI, OTT platforms, gaming, medicine and information technology. So do keep an eye out for these industries while your job search is still on. While most of you would think that apply कर दिया, चलो अब chill करें और call का wait करें. No guys, this is where you're going wrong.
और बता, how is mission find a job in the middle of a pandemic going for you?
यार, I've applied to like a zillion jobs and guess what? अभी तक एक भी call back नहीं आया है.
अच्छा? Did you meet most of the qualifications required for a job?
Yeah.
You know, you just have to meet around 50 to 60% of these qualifications. तूने पक्का randomly apply किया होगा. Did you try looking for the same job on the company's website?
नहीं यार, मैंने तो नहीं किया.
You should always do that because sometimes portals carry jobs that are already filled out. So you know, it's like hitting a dead end. Anyway, did you try to get through a reference?
Reference? Step 3. Community networking. That job that you applied for hasn't led you anywhere. You wish to reach out for a reference but don't know how to approach people. This is what you have to do. आप जहाँ भी जॉब करना चाहते हैं, आप उन ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस के टीम हेड्स और HRs को LinkedIn पर अप्रोच कर सकते हैं. You can start by reaching out to them with a cover letter or an opener where you say why you want to work with them. But remember, reach out to these people with a specific role in your mind, telling them why you are a good fit for the role. Be assertive and clear. Ask them to refer you. Online networking events attend करिए and reach out to people who are doing what you would like to do and request them for a chat. Speaking of online events, Cool Kanya is a great platform for women to connect and network, as are places like Networking Now. Step 4. Go all out. Job ढूंढना मुश्किल है पर नामुमकिन नहीं. तो इसके लिए you must tell your family and friends that you're actively searching for a job and ask them to look out for you.
हेलो आंटी जी, नमस्ते, कैसे हैं?
हेलो बेटा, कैसे याद किया आज अपनी आंटी को?
हाँ आंटी, वो मैंने आपको अपना बायोडेटा भेजा था ना, वो पीयूष को भेजने के लिए, जिसकी HR वाली कंपनी है.
वो तो मैंने शर्मा जी को भेज दिया, उनके लड़के से तेरी बात चलाने के लिए.
नहीं आंटी, वो जॉब के लिए था, शादी के लिए नहीं. ओह माय गॉड.
Just kidding. This may not be everyone. So do feel free to reach out to as many people as you can. Step 5. Keep a track of companies' leadership response to the crisis. See if they have announced furloughs, pay cuts or leave without pay. अगर किसी organization ने pay cut announce किया है, तो वो आपके लिए best option नहीं है. We suggest that you look elsewhere. Step 6. Upgrade yourself. While you're on this mission, do not, I repeat, do not sit back and let yourself rust all over. Take up online courses, acquire a new skill, or even practice video interviews at home. This will not only help you stay in the game, but also increase your chances of landing yourself a new job. You could also take up some freelance gigs to enhance your experience and also earn some extra cash. Step 7. Roll out the follow-ups. The last one, but probably the most important one. Following up should be your holy grail. If you snooze on this, you will lose it. Recruiters are swamped with job applications and your email could get lost in the shuffle, even if you are the ideal candidate. Make it a point to follow up with recruiters and remind them of your application. The bottom line is to know where you stand and get closure. All these steps are tried and tested and have already benefited a lot of you braving it out in the pandemic. Sooner or later, these steps are bound to get you a new job. If you feel that we've missed out on anything and something that has benefited you in the past, then do not forget to mention it in the comments below. After all, we are a community where women help each other. If you liked this video, then could you please take a moment to hit the subscribe button right below if you haven't already and get notified whenever Cool Kanya posts a new video. Do give it a big thumbs up, do not forget to share it with your cool Kanyas, and until next time, raise your power.